In this video, let me show you how to connect Pixelverse Dashboard to Bybit. Hey everyone, this is App Mentor once again. So let's start with the tutorial. First, log into Bybit. At the top, select the Web3 option. After that, you'll be taken to Web3 interface. Next, click on the apps, where you'll find the browser needed to log into your Pixelverse dashboard. In the search box, enter dashboard.pixelverse.doxyz and load the page. Now you see a wallet icon. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, click on the icon. And then after that, you'll have options to connect to different exchanges. Since we're using Bybit, select Bybit. Next, a message will appear asking you to sign it, showing your wallet address. Click on Sign. After that, you'll need to enter your device password. Once you enter and confirm your password, your dashboard will be connected successfully. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!